Grace and peace, everybody. What is up? Welcome back to another. Okay, y'all, I am getting frustrated. Today is my official new home tour. And I found this beautiful, beautiful townhome and I'm so excited to show you guys. So I wanted to bring you guys into my new space, my new home. And yeah, y'all already know I'm gonna like do a whole talk through maybe later on in this vlog because this is going to be combined with some other stuff, but of course I wanted to give you guys a empty home tour, so that's what this video is going to be. So let's get into it. Here is my front door. Okay, so you come in. Sorry you guys, I'm recording on my big boy today. So you walk in right here. This is going to be the first guest bathroom. This townhome is 3 bedrooms and then 2.5 baths. So this is the half bath. So as soon as you walk in, here is the bathroom. And then, you know, nothing crazy. Toilet, got a little window right there. So then when you come out, this is the living room space. Now I'm gonna have to probably, I need to adjust the light a little bit. But this is the living room. So I have my window here, and then over here you got the fireplace. Never had a freaking fireplace, so this is so dope. I was looking on Amazon a little while ago for one of these, but this one already comes with it, period. And then here is the mount for my TV. But I absolutely love this because this is just giving me like the, I don't know, like the hosting setup that I've always wanted for like guests and things like that. So like I said, there's a whole explanation for a lot of this, so we'll get into that a little later. So right here are the steps that go upstairs. Got a little corner right here, and every little corner I'm just thinking about adding daggone plants and stuff. But anyway, that leads upstairs, so we'll go out there in a second. So then right over here is the kitchen area. All of the appliances, stainless steel, love the marble. All of the drawers here are white. And I really like how simple this townhome is, just because my other apartment has tons of cabinetry. I don't need that much, okay? Like, I don't even use most of the cabinetry in that apartment as it is. So yeah, got the microwave, and then we have another set of cabinets right here. We got some up there, but highly doubt I'll even use those. So then this is the refrigerator. Little ice joint in the water, but I didn't use the water that much anyway, especially now that I'm obsessed with carbonated water. But down here is where the ice is and other things. So that's the freezer. And then it's the double door refrigerator situation. So we got this going on. This is so nice, y'all. So I've never had a pantry. So this right here is the pantry. It's a little sliding door. So you open that up, and then we have all of the shelves in here. So for privacy purposes, there is a window here, but not gonna show too much, but there is a window there. And then there is the, so I have like this little dining area. So I do have a little dining area. I've never had one of these, so I'm definitely gonna be looking to getting a dining room table, you know, for dinner, breakfast, all the things. So, and this is what I was talking about. I love to have this to have for like hosting and like family come over. Like there's just more room for people to like sit, and everybody's not sitting on top of each other. This is actually one of my favorite details of the house because, I mean, look at it. The girl who was giving me the tour of the place, she was like, this is one of the only units that has this light fixture. I guess because each of them are a little different. So these are super nice and I love it. This is just another closet. It's where the water heater and stuff is, but she was like, people, you know, can use it for other stuff. So I don't know what I'll use it for yet, but I low-key wouldn't mind turning this into like, would it make sense to make this into like a coat closet? Like I could put like some hooks right here, if not over there or something. I don't know. So again, this is the living room area. So now we're going to make our way upstairs. I don't know why the stairs is my favorite part. Maybe it's because I have never lived in a place like this, like of my own that has stairs. So I don't know. But there is a light for the steps. So at nighttime, you know. Okay, let's make our way upstairs. I'm gonna hand this over. Okay guys, let's go upstairs. Avery is sunbathing, so we have. Then we got the next set. Okay, so we made it upstairs. So again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome. So let's get to the bedrooms. This is the first one. This one is gonna be my guest room for whatever guests I may have. I already have the other bed that I had at my other apartment, so this will fit perfectly in here. It does have a closet. I love the little handles on here, but it does have a pretty good sized closet, nothing too major. Whoever may stay over, they'll have somewhere to put their stuff and have it out of the way. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so coming over here, so this one will be my home office. Yes, I know I already have the studio, but I still wanted a place for me to come in and read or work, whatever it is. This would be my space. These rooms are identical, so it's literally the same thing. They're just opposite of each other. And again, this one has a closet as well, so this would be perfect to put all of my PR packages, things that I get, store products, things like that when working on campaigns and so forth. Oh, let's get these details. We love the, what's crazy is the master bedroom doesn't even have this. What's that about? But this is the light to dim it so it doesn't have to be as bright. And then that's the speed of the fan. Okay, moving over to the second bathroom. So this is the bigger guest bathroom. So this one has sink, toilet, and then this has a full bath. So pretty basic, to the point shower. We love it, we love it. Why are you getting so close? Why are you getting so close? I love how much cabinetry space I have under there for that. Moving over, so before we get into my room. So this place does come with a washer and dryer. We give God praise for that. These are, what is this? Is that Whirlpool? This is not Whirlpool. It doesn't even matter, we just give God praise. Stop. We just give God praise the fact that we have washer and dryer, and I love these. Do y'all see these joints? Like, it's the front facing ones. I'm gonna have to learn how to even use it because, yeah, we'll come back to that. Shut up. And then literally right beside it is my linen closet. So I am losing my little walk-in laundry room, which it was not that big of a deal because I'm kind of disappointed in myself because I didn't do as much with that laundry room as I wanted to. But luckily we still have tons of room right here for all of like the towels and cleaning products and my vacuum, all the things, all of that can be stored in here, and there's plenty of room for all of it. Again, the lighting is great in here. They got the white light bar in here, so we love that. Okay, this is another closet, but it's kind of like the one that's downstairs. It's really, I mean, it's for that thing. So I mean, can't really use this for no, Okay, moving over into the last room. So this is the master bedroom. Again, nothing too cray in here. I can't wait to actually get in here and decorate, especially now that I have my new bed. Just to sit in a different space is gonna be different. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm not sure how exactly I'm gonna decorate it because now I can center my bedroom. Before my current apartment, I can't center that one just because of how that one's made, like the bathroom with a little hallway I have right there. But I can center the room now if I wanted to, so I can put a nightstand over there and over there, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay, like I was saying, this is one of my favorite parts of the entire house. This is the master bathroom. Let's get into it. Double synced up. We love it in here. Just because the master bathroom in my current apartment, and this is not me trying to like down the apartment, like that apartment is, I have a weird attachment to that apartment, but hear me out. That joint is very small in terms of like the one attached to my bedroom. It's very small. So this is just very refreshing. This gives me a ton of space. Still have a lot of cabinetry. We got drawers going on. Get into the detail. Watch this. I could slam it if I wanted to, and it won't. Tons of cabinet. I keep saying this, but the cabinet space under here is insane. I love how much room I have, and literally it's on both sides. Then you guys, this, I have to admit, this is probably, I already said this before, but like this shower is insane. So it's like brown marble, it's like gray and brown marble. But I love this. We got the handheld shower joint. I've always wanted one of these in the shower. I'm super happy to have one of these, especially on like hair washing days. This will make everything really easy. So yeah, I'm not a big person on like having a tub, so not having a tub in here wasn't like a big deal for me because it's very rare I get in the tub. Like, I'm all for taking a bath and soaking, but it's very rare that I do that. So if I really need a bath, I'll just go across the hall. But other than that, I love this. I wish the toilet wasn't next to the shower. I wish the toilet had like its own like little space somewhere else. But I just feel like a lot of places always throw the shower and the toilet right beside each other. But yeah, this is the shower. Like I said, the shower is amazing. There's a little window right here. So I thought like maybe like some cute little plants could go up there. Y'all know I love the eucalyptus plants in the shower. So I could easily put something like that in there. I love the steam. So behind the door, I know you guys are probably wondering like, Devin, where is your closet? It's right here. Again, we have another little sliding door. It is a walk-in, and I love that it's hardwood floor in here. I feel like most of the time when they do closets like this, they throw the carpet in there. But hardwood walk-in closet, and we have good enough space in here. I will say, I can't say that this one is smaller than my other one. It's just different. Like that, when you walk in, you just have shelves on both sides. So I think it's probably about the same size. This may be a slight, like a touch bigger, but now like a little sliding door. So like when it comes to actually taking a shower, you know, just seal everything off. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. There is something on the screen. Hold on. I don't know if that helped it. Yo, what is up? Hold on. I am back home. Sorry, let me adjust the lighting again. What is up, you guys? I am back home. I'm getting ready to get in this good shower. I just wanted to properly close out the vlog. I'm getting ready to wash my hair. I really don't even feel like washing my hair because it's gonna end up being a mess tomorrow. Plus I need to go ahead and buy me some purple shampoo. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it. I don't care how it looks. My head actually hurts. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to properly close up the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys like the new townhome. Start packing, so tomorrow hopefully I can go get me some boxes and some tape, and hopefully I can find me. I feel like I have some Sharpie markers here, but I might just pick those up too while I'm at the store, and get to labeling everything and putting stuff away. I'm trying to figure out what I want to start with, because moving, I don't know, moving gives me anxiety, y'all. Like when I say I do not feel like doing this, but I really want to get in my new home and make that place my new home. And yeah, I'm trying to figure out for the new year if I want to keep that same schedule. As of now, I'll say Saturday. It may be before Saturday. Maybe. But as of now, I'm just going to say Saturday. We'll keep the Tuesday and Saturday 10 a.m. EST posting schedule because I was working. So, yeah. Love you guys so much. I will catch you on my next video. Lord willing, you guys have an amazing night, day, weekend, week, whenever you may be watching this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Mwah. I love y'all. Bye.